Hey guys, Rusty here at Ugly HP. Today working on my John Deere, which blew one of the lines for the boom. You can actually see it split right there for the boom up. So it's actually the one all the way in the back. You can't see it right here. So what we're gonna do is knock this pin out, suck the cylinder back, and then I'll knock this pin out right here and try to pull it out a little bit further. I'm gonna reroute this hose around this to help bring it all the way out, and then hopefully we can snake in there and get it. So I'm gonna get the pin pulled and this hose switched around, and we'll see how far back it pulls it, and I'll check back in. Okay, so this is where we're at. Rerouted the hose so it doesn't pinch there. The other hose is still deep in there. So we're gonna knock this pin out right here and pull the ram the rest of the way out. These are 3/4 inches, so I'm not quite sure I'm gonna get that pin back in over there, but we'll figure it out like we did the last two. So let me knock this one out. We'll pull it the rest of the way out. Once I knock this pin out, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this line right here. It's not gonna be needed anymore since we're all the way in on it. And then yeah, pull it all the way out. I could disconnect this one right here since it's not doing us any good, and yeah, string it out. So we're gonna fight this thing up because this thing is long and it is heavy. So let me get this pin knocked out and pull it up forward and see if we run any other snags. All right, so here's what we had to do. Basically just stand it up after we got the pin popped out. So that was the easiest way because how heavy it is. So when I go to put it back in, all I gotta do is just kind of lay it down and feed it in there. But I'm gonna pop the line off, run the line out, go get one made, and then hopefully by the weekend put it back in. The only issue I'm gonna see is getting that pin in, but I'm gonna figure something out, possibly like a rope or something tied on the end. So yeah, I'm gonna get this off, and then yeah, we'll check back in a week or two.